Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel and let's get right into the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to show you guys the 100k giveaway prizes that I have. It's going to be one giveaway winner. You're going to be winning an LED lamp, some Kiss acrylic kits because a lot of you guys say you can't find them, some gel polishes, some drill bits, nail polish remover. You just put it on top of the nail. You will be winning two of those, actually, a nail drill, which I'm super excited about, poly gel kit, Madam Glam gel polishes. I will be adding rhinestones and things like that into it. I just want to add so many stuff. Press on nails. I didn't want to show everything because it is a lot in the video and I didn't want the video to be too long, but I just want to say thank you so much again for 100k. Oh, also I'm doing a $100 Visa gift card, so one winner will win all of that. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much again for your love and your support and your positivity. So if you want to enter that giveaway, definitely check out the description box down below. And not only that, stay tuned till the end of the video so you guys can know how to enter that giveaway. But right here, you guys wanted to, well, let's get right into the video. So a lot of you guys have been wanting me to do like an Aliexpress video and do different things like that. So that's kind of what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be trying different like places like Wish and Aliexpress and stuff like that. So this nail kit is actually from Aliexpress. I paid $10.88 for this nail kit, and I think it's still $10.88. Last time that I checked, it was a little bit more, but that was because Black Friday was coming up and they wanted to change it. But it comes with a lot of things. It comes with nail forms, which I don't know why. I think they should have just added nail tips. In my preference, I'm not a huge fan of nail forms. I really don't know how to work with nail forms like that, so that's kind of why I said it. But I mean, hey, but it does come with clear pink and white acrylic. It comes with monomer, which says it doesn't contain MMA. I don't know how much of that is true, but it just said you know what it contains and all that stuff, the ingredients, and it didn't mention anything about MMA, but it does say it is mixed with other acrylic products. So that's where you can see it came with like cuticle oil buffers, nail files, things like that, and a small little size 2 nail brush. I don't know how you're supposed to do your nails with that, but I mean, hey, whatever floats your boat, go on and do it. This is the brush that I was talking about. I will not be using that brush. I will be using my panna brush. And not only that, it did come with primer and things. So right here, I'm just going to be showing you how deep the pot is. It doesn't bring a lot. And to be honest with you guys, I would not put this on my nails again. I am going to be completely real with you. I did throw the kit out once I was done using it after this video. I'm not a fan of it. It does contain MMA. It lied. So yeah, I'm pretty sure when I go to soak these off, it's going to contain a lot of MMA. It's going to be super gooey. It was gooey while I was putting it on, so I can only imagine what's going to happen when I soak them. But I mean, hey, it was $10. If it's like that, I would literally just go with the Kiss nail kit. It's right there at Walgreens, Walmart, CVS. But if you can't get your hands on that, then I would definitely go with Aliexpress and stuff like that and see what they have. I would definitely gravitate towards more of the gel and not so much the acrylic, just because I don't know what the acrylic contains, and MMA is really bad for you. But I will not be using nail forms because I don't like nail forms. I'm going to be using dual forms, so I did have to add in, you know, my own things, and you would probably have to get nail tips if you don't know how to use nail forms, which I say if you're a beginner, this kind of sucks, to be completely honest, because not everybody knows how to use nail forms. Hell, it's hard with nail tips, so you can imagine nail forms, but we're not even going to go there. But yeah, so that's kind of what I am doing, and I'm just sizing up my nail beds with the nail forms, and I'm going to be prepping my nails, which I did already. No, I'm gonna do it and then with the nail file, and then adding primer, putting the acrylic on, and then that's what I'm going to do. Like I was saying before, though, in the last video, if you do hear noise in the background, I am getting my bathroom renovated, blah blah blah. Let's do a disclaimer before y'all come for me. So I just wanted to say that really quick, that you will be hearing noise in the background, but you know I gotta put a video up for you guys. So like I was saying, would I buy this kit again? Hell to the no, to be honest. I would just go with the Kiss acrylic kit. It works exactly the same, and also this kit dries a lot faster than the Kiss acrylic kit. I don't know. Oh, and the smell in this kit is ridiculous. So I would not purchase it again. No, it's a no for me. You guys already know how I use the dual forms, so I'm not going to explain too much of that. I did apply primer, prep my nails, and then I applied the nail forms with the acrylic. So that's kind of all that I did. I just want to throw that out there. So now to get into the giveaway, what you would have to do is just follow me on Instagram. I told this before that my Instagram will be involved in this 100K giveaway. So yeah, just follow me on Instagram, like this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I do check, you guys. I do check, and if you are not, I will have to pick another giveaway winner, just because there's so many people that actually follow me and have been watching. And if you subscribe and then unsubscribe just for the giveaway, I'm not a huge fan of that. So I definitely check that. What else? So yeah, definitely enter that giveaway so you guys can be so you guys can win some stuff. It will only be one winner that will be winning all of this, and don't forget that there will be a $100 Visa gift card for you guys. And the giveaway end date is going to be the ending of December, because a lot of you guys were saying that you wanted it for a whole month. So that's kind of what I'm going to do for you guys. So it will be the ending of December, probably around like the 30th or the 31st. You can check the description box down below for the giveaway end date and all the deets on the giveaway. But yeah, so give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload. And I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.